is a 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. Has 6 cylinders with 3.6 liters. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. This was in an accident where the car became salvaged. It now has a rebuilt title. It doesn't have any frame damage, however. And it got hit on the driver's side. So it has a power lift gate. The seats fold down in the third row if you needed to haul big, larger items and didn't need the seats. And they fold up pretty easily. There's your button to close the lift gate. It has aluminum alloy rims, and here's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a black leather with a nice cream trim on it. Gives it a little unique style, and some wood paneling makes this car stand out. Very nice looking. And here is the back row. The seats are in excellent condition. You do have a moonroof here and a sunroof over there. You have the tri-zone climate control. Let me go ahead and turn it on. As well as a 150 watt outlet and the USB ports. You have dual power seats. They are also heated and vented. Keep you nice and comfortable regardless of the conditions. You have navigation. This is also equipped with Apple CarPlay as well. There's your audio controls, climate control, your heated and vented seats, then your USB auxiliary and 12-volt ports. It has terrain selection. There's the middle console. It's a push start. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your audio for controls for the steering wheel, and then your cruise control, collision alert, heated steering wheel. Then you have seat memory, power locks, and power windows. You can also control the height of the lift gate, and this is equipped with the Bose speakers. Here are your garage door transmitters as well as your sliding sunroof. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive SUV to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this GMC Acadia out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!